This video walks you through how to use Stripe test cards for different countries. Ganun start by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account details. Once you are in, check the environment before you do anything else. You need to be working in sandbox or test mode so the payment you create stays in testing and does not affect live transactions. If your dashboard has a visible test mode toggle, confirm that it is enabled before moving on. Next, open the payment flow you want to test. This can be a test checkout page, a payment link, or a checkout session, depending on how your Stripe setup is configured. The goal here is to reach the customer-facing payment form, where billing details and card information can be entered. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the form is fully visible. On that test payment page, enter the required customer information. Fill in the fields that Stripe asks for in that flow, such as a customer email address or other basic details tied to the payment. Use generic test information where appropriate, and make sure the entries match the country or region you plan to test. After that, select the country or region you want to use for the test. This part matters because the billing form can change based on the selected location. Some countries require a postal code, while others may present slightly different address fields. Make sure the selected country matches the billing information you are about to enter, so the test reflects the location you want to verify. Now enter a Stripe test card in the card number field. Use one of Stripe's test card numbers rather than a real card. Then add a valid future expiration date and a 3-digit CVC. If the form asks for a postal code, enter one that fits the selected country. The important detail is consistency. The country selection and the billing details should line up so Stripe processes the payment as coming from that region in your test environment. With the payment form completed, submit the transaction to complete the test payment. Stripe may take a moment to process it, so wait for the confirmation page or success message to appear. That confirms the test flow has finished on the customer side. Once the test payment is complete, go back to your Stripe dashboard and locate the transaction you just created. Review the payment details and verify that it was processed using the billing information for the country you selected during checkout. This is where you confirm that your test reflected the intended region and that Stripe recorded it correctly in test mode. The Stripe test payment has now been processed and verified with the selected country's billing information.